Hello student, today we are going to start chapter number 4 Disaster Management Part 1. Disaster. Disaster is a sudden event that causes large scale damage to life, property and social aspects of the nation and society. There are two types of disaster, natural disaster and man-made disaster. For example, massive earthquake in the village of Kilari of district Latur. Landslide in the Malin village of district Pune. Flood in Chennai of state Tamil Nadu. Earthquake. Vibrations and cracking up of the earth crust is known as earthquake. Interior of the earth has tremendous energy. There are some movements in these layers. This causes seismic waves which in turn cause movement of the earth's surface. It results in shaking and cracking up earth's surface resulting in an earthquake. Besides natural causes, man-made causes such as construction of large dams can also lead to an earthquake. Effects of earthquake. Excessive loss of life and property. Destruction of infrastructure such as buildings, bridges, roads, railway track, etc. Change in the direction of the flow of river. Excessive rains causes floods. During floods, water is accumulated at one place in very large amount. A river overflows and this results in flood. The water drainage system in big cities may fall short, resulting in choking of gutters and drainage lines. This results in flooding if there is an excessive rainfall. Effects of floods. Huge loss of life and property. Erosion of soil takes place due to heavy floods. Standing crops are destroyed. Epidemics of diseases spread and affect health of the people. Storms. There is a formation of high and low air pressure belts in the atmosphere. This causes changes in weather. Due to this, strong winds are formed which results in storms. Effects of storms. Storms affected regions undergo great damages. There is a tremendous loss of life and property. The electric supply is disrupted. Transport and communication is disrupted. Forest fire. A forest fire is an uncontrolled fire in a forest or grassland due to natural or man-made causes. Forest fires spread at a tremendous speed. Effects of forest fire. Great damage to natural wealth and biodiversity. Pollution of air. Disaster management. Making plans to face the disasters and developing capacity to do so is called disaster management. Disaster management is possible only through the community participation. Natural or man-made disaster can occur anytime. Thus, making plans to face the disaster is crucial. Emergency planning and management is to be done before the calamity strikes. Remedial and preventive measures. One should carefully watch news on the radio and TV. Radio and mobile should be battery operated. Carefully follow the warnings issued by the meteorological department. Website www.imd.government.in should be followed. In hilly areas, landslides can occur due to the cloudburst or heavy rains. Therefore, one should not take shelter at the foot of a hill. In case of floods, one should not linger in the house or low-lying areas. Shelter in the safe places at height should be taken. One should not step in water or drive a vehicle into the gushing water. Relief camps are arranged when there is a disaster. They provide medicines, food packets, drinking water, first aid, etc. Help should be obtained from such relief camps. Fire extinguishers should be installed at all public places.